In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder on Google Docs. Before we begin, it's important to know one key detail. You can't directly create a folder inside Google Docs itself. If you want to organize your documents into folders, you'll need to do that through Google Drive, which is the storage system connected to Google Docs. Once the folder is created there, you can store and manage your documents inside it. Start by going to your Google Drive. This is where all of your Google Docs, sheets, slides, and other files are kept. When the page opens, you'll see your main Drive dashboard, where you can organize everything in one place. If you're already signed into your Google account, it should open right away. Again, keep in mind that even though this tutorial is about creating a folder for Google Docs, the actual folder creation happens in Google Drive. This is the normal way Google organizes files, so don't worry if you don't see a folder option inside a document itself. Once you're in Google Drive, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the New button. This button opens a menu with different options for adding and organizing content in your Drive. It's the starting point for creating new files, uploading existing ones, or setting up folders. From that drop-down menu, click on New Folder. This tells Google Drive that you want to create a fresh folder where you can keep related files together. It's a simple but very useful way to stay organized, especially if you work with lots of documents. Next, type in the name of your new folder. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later. For example, you might name it based on a project, class, client, or topic. Clear folder names can save you time when you're searching for files in the future. After entering the folder name, click on Create. Google Drive will immediately make the folder and place it in your Drive, ready for you to use. From there, you can move Google Docs into it, create new documents inside it, or share the folder with others if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a folder for organizing your Google Docs using Google Drive. It's a quick process, but it makes a big difference when it comes to keeping your files neat and easy to find.